As you all know that we are doing a push pull leg workout series जिसमें से हम push workout already cover कर चुके हैं और आज के वीडियो में हम करेंगे pull workout. So welcome to Exerciser and this is सरगम गेरा और आज की pull movements में हम करेंगे back, biceps and rear delts. So let's start. We are starting our pull workout with back and the exercise is close grip lat pull down. Make sure your feet are properly placed on the floor and knees tucked under the pad. Keep your grip narrower than your shoulders and bring the bar as close to upper chest as possible. Keep your shoulders retracted and chest lifted throughout the movement and you should target 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions each. Our next exercise is a must do for back, which is barbell bend over row. For this, you need to take a grip slightly wider than your shoulders, keeping your knees soft. Bend your upper body at an angle of 45 degrees. Try to pull the bar close to your belly button and squeeze your back muscles. And if you are lifting heavy, just make sure to wear a belt as safety comes first. And here also we will target 3 sets of 12 repetitions each. Our third exercise is lat pull down, which is one of the common exercises, but you should make sure to select a weight with which you can perform full range of motion, which means that bring the bar closer to your chest and only after that you should release it. Keep your core tight, your grip should be wider than your shoulders and you should target 3 sets of 15 repetitions each. We will be doing next 2 exercises in superset, out of which first is curl grip bend over row. All the techniques will be same as barbell bend over row. The only difference is we will be using underhand grip, which is little narrower than your shoulders. Changing the grip ensures that you are hitting the back from all angles, and this is a smart way of training as well. You have to do 12 repetitions and as soon as you complete them without taking any break, we will move to seated rowing. As you can see on the screen, we are using a hammer grip with a wide handle, but don't worry if you do not have it, you can use a V handle as well. Make sure not to lean forward or backward, which means keep your back straight, core tight and chest lifted. Engage your back throughout the movement, for which you need to pull the bar closer to your abs, hold it there for a second and then release it slowly. You have to do 12 repetitions and after which you will complete your 1 set, and in a similar way you have to do 2 sets. We will now move to rear delts, in which first exercise is cable face pulls. For this, you need to pull the rope towards your forehead so that your upper arms become parallel to the floor. And release the rope so that your arms get fully extended. Be sure to choose the light or moderate weight so that you can perform the exercise with right technique. You should aim for 15 to 20 repetitions in every set and you have to do 3 sets. Our next exercise is seated rear lateral raises. Here also we will be using moderate weights, and to perform, bend your upper body so that your chest comes closer to your thighs. Do not jerk too much and lift the weight till your elbows come at shoulder height. This will ensure that your rear delts are targeted properly, and you have to do 2 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions each. After the rear delts, we will now move to biceps, and the exercise is hammer curl. I am doing it with alternate hands, but you can also do it using both hands together. Without moving the elbow too much, you have to lift the weight close to your shoulders, and whenever you are lifting the dumbbell up, you have to breathe out. You have to do 12 to 15 repetitions with each hand and 2 sets. Our next exercise is 21 curls, which means that you have to do a total of 21 repetitions in one set. For the first 7 reps, the curls should be from bottom to half. For the next 7 reps, the curls should be from half to top. And for the last 7 reps, you have to perform the curls in a full range of motion as you do in a barbell curl. You have to do 3 sets, and apart from the technique, I also want to tell you that lifting heavy is not always necessary. Therefore, you should train smart so that you can achieve your goals easily. Our last exercise is kneeling cable curl, for which you have to sit on the floor as you can see on the screen. Place your elbows properly on your knees and hold the bar with a grip which is slightly narrower than your shoulders. Range of motion is very important here, and therefore squeeze your biceps as much as you can while pulling the bar, and at the same time release the bar to the maximum. You have to do 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions each, and with this, we are done with an awesome pull workout.
So this was today's video. I hope you like it. Do follow the entire series and let me know. Share with your friends and family as well. And I'll be back with legs workout next week. And as I always say, follow your passion, follow your dreams, and stay fit.